Meanwhile, the first day of the campaign period for local candidates for the 2025 midterm elections kicked off peacefully, according to the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC. However, the poll body received complaints about heavy traffic caused by numerous campaign rallies, as well as the deafening beat of drums, fireworks, and vehicles blaring campaign jingles. Our PTV's Luisa Irispe tells us more.
The first day of campaign for local candidates of 2025 midterm elections has been generally peaceful. According to the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, didn't receive any report of violations or disarray related with candidates today.
Generally peaceful po ito at to a certain extent sumusunod naman.
However, there are minimal issues the poll body would like to raise, such as the traffic caused by proclamation rallies. Because of this, the COMELEC called on candidates that as much as possible not cause heavy traffic buildup among national roads, especially in cities.
Medyo nakaistorbo yung ilan sa ating pong mga traffic and therefore ang ating pong hindi naman babala pakiusap doon sa mga magkakampanya. Total, kumukuha po kayo ng mga permit mula po sa barangay, sa munisipyo, sa City Hall. Sana po naman ay siguraduhin lang natin na hindi ito makakaistorbo sa ating mga kababayan.
Even those who are using drums and campaign jingles, COMELEC advised candidates that they should be careful not to disturb voters within resting hours. And for those who aren't using biodegradable campaign materials, COMELEC reminded them that based on the rules, eco-friendly campaign materials are must.
Sapat na lang na ma-emphasize natin sa lahat na gumamit naman tayo ng biodegradable materials upang makatulong naman tayo kahit sa maliit na paraan sa ating pong kapaligiran.
Shirts, ballers, caps, and candies are allowed during the campaign. However, the COMELEC reiterated that any presence of candidates during ayuda-giving events is strictly prohibited.
Pagpasaway ang politiko, ang kandidato, bakit natin iboboto? Hindi natin iboboto sapagkat ngayon palang tinuturuan na natin ng mga kabataan na pwede palang i-violate yung mga patakaran. Okay lang na i-disregard kahit na batas ng halalan.
The COMELEC is open to receive complaints or petitions that will be filed before their office against violators.